Updating your payout destination on TikTok is essential for ensuring you receive your earnings correctly. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Open the TikTok app. Launch the TikTok app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into the account associated with your payouts. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal profile page. Step 3. Go to Settings. In your profile, tap on the 3 horizontal lines with the 3 dots in the top right corner to access the Settings menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy. Step 4. Find the Payout settings. Scroll down and look for the Balance or Payout option within the Settings menu. Tap on it to view your current payout details. Step 5. Update your payout destination. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issuer.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Once you've completed these steps, your payout destination will be updated. Make sure to double-check your information to avoid any issues with future payments.